Okay guys, so here's the start of the review for your quiz. Okay, so the car is driving along the highway. The speed and direction of the car can be represented by -6 and 28. How fast is the car? And now they're just asking for the magnitude, but we're going to also find direction. Okay, so -61 and 28. So since they went ahead and gave us the ordered pairs, we can go straight into the problem. So magnitude, all we're going to have to do is take the square root of our x and our y. Okay, where's my calculator? Okay, just typing this in. And I get 67.1. So that will be my magnitude. Now here we want to graph this because we've got to remember what quadrant we're in. So we're in negative positive. So we're right here. So we're going to add 180 to our angle measure. So theta is inverse tangent of y over x, and we're going to add 180. Okay, inverse tangent, 28 divided by -61 plus 180. I get 155.3 degrees. Okay, that was fun. Okay, number 2. And Aria is running 6 miles per hour. We're going south 12 degrees east. Okay, so let me do this. I came up with a new method. North, south, east, and west. Okay. So remember, just like I did before, south, whatever comes first is the first thing we do. So we're going to go south, then we're going to go east. Okay. So here is my vector. And this little triangle with my highlighted is going to be 12 degrees. So what I want to do is we're going to redraw this. So I want this, but I want this outside angle. So do you see every quadrant is 90 degrees, just in that quadrant. So you can do 90, 90, 90. Or if you look at the unit circle, the y-axis, where south is located, is 270 degrees. But you see it's 270 degrees plus this little bit, so we're going to add 12. And we get 282. So this ends up being 282 degrees. And what was my magnitude? 6. We need the component form. Because we have our because we have our an angle measure, we're going to use the cosine and sine one. So this would be 6, because it's x, it's cosine of 282. And y is going to be 6 sine of 282. Okay, so 6 cosine of 282. And I get 1.2. And 6 sine of 282. And I get -5.9. And there you go. If you want, you can write it in this fashion. Should probably be the pointies. I always forget. Well, I'm not really good at them, so yeah. So, we're done with that one. We're having fun. Okay, so number 3. Jackson is canoeing and going due west 4.5. Please be careful. X, most people are going to say it's 4.5, but it really is not 4.5. Because we're going in the negative x direction, it should be negative 4.5. Because I'm not going up or down, y is 0. Then the river is flowing south 2 miles. Okay, I'm not going left or right, so x is 0. Y is not 2 because we're going south, it is negative. Okay, so now we're going to add our big X, so negative 4.5 plus 0 is negative 4.5, and Y is 0 plus a negative 2, and that's negative 2. Again, I'm running a graph. This puts me in quadrant 3, and so that tells us we have to add 180. So we're going to find our magnitude, and that's the one with the square root, so negative 4.5 squared plus a negative 2 squared. So negative 4.5 squared plus 2 squared, square root. Oopsies, clear. Okay, let's try. Okay, plus square root. I get 4.9. Okay, and then to calculate angle, we take the inverse, y over x, and don't forget we're going to add 180. Divided by negative 1.5 plus 180. And I get 203.96 degrees. Okay, I will see you in the next video for the next 3 questions. Good luck.